Hello there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a WhatsApp channel. So for this, first of all, let's open a WhatsApp app. Now here in update section, you will find this channels option. If you didn't find it, then firstly update your app. Now click on this plus button and you will get two options like to create a channel or to find a channel like this. So we are here to create a channel. So simply click on create channel and now click on continue. Now here you need to enter your channel name. After that you can click on create channel and the channel will be created. Now you can edit your channel. So click on add description. So from here you can add description for your channel. And then click on save changes so the description will be added. Now if you want to share our channel link, click on share channel link and now from here you can share the link through WhatsApp or any other social media platform by copying this link. Now if I click on channel, so here we have channel settings and from here you can choose which reactions can followers send. And like the normal WhatsApp group, you can also add profile picture for your channel. To add it, click on these three dots and now go to edit and from here you can add profile, you can change the channel name and also you can change the description. Now if I click on this share button, so from there you can share your channel on different social media platforms. So if this video helped you, leave a like on the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.